crazy. Anyway, you sent me this one, and I was flabbergasted. This was about a potential deal between Duracell and Microsoft that was the reason that we kept seeing AA batteries inside of Xbox controllers, even into the next generation, which a lot of people noticed and like, you can't keep doing this to us. Mm-hmm. And so many had assumed because the Duracell batteries were in the package and because Duracell had been using the Xbox controller in its advertising for a period of time, there was speculation that it was some sort of a deal that would stop Microsoft from shipping a controller that was rechargeable out the gate. That they somehow, this partnership existed. Well, they have a partnership because obviously the Duracell batteries are in there when you buy it, but that original article was quickly disputed with a comment from Microsoft themselves. They didn't like that news story getting out there, that in some way they were holding people back because of some business deal with Duracell. So here's the quote from Microsoft veteran Jason Ronald, partner director of program management for Xbox. Here's the quote. What it comes down to is when actually talking to gamers, it's kind of polarizing and there is a strong camp that really want AA's. So just giving flexibility is a way to please both sets of people. You can use a rechargeable battery pack and it works just like it does on the Elite, but it's a separate thing. Here's the rest of it. We intentionally offer consumers choice in their battery solutions for our standard Xbox wireless controllers. This includes the use of AA batteries from any brand, the Xbox rechargeable battery, charging solutions from our partners, or a USB Type-C cable, which you can plug into the console or the PC. I believe him. I was skeptical that it was a Duracell deal. It might be a small deal, but not enough to shift them to that degree. I have to say, though, the AA thing's a bit crazy. For me, if you have to ask which camp I'm in, it's a bit crazy. I know they'll sell you the play and charge kit with the rechargeable battery. I understand that, but I think it should come with it out the box. And if you want to keep the option to throw AA's in there, then just keep the design, but have the play and charge kit installed out the box.
I agree.
There's a way to do this, right? And I'm glad they did the USB Type-C, but we've been playing Forza at home, and we've been just replacing AA batteries because we just had the stock Xbox Series X that we've been playing on.
Yeah.
I should really probably bring the Elite controller home because, as you mentioned, if you do buy the Xbox Elite controller, then it's rechargeable out the box. And by the way, Forza on the Xbox Series X looks great. I just felt the need to reiterate
Forza
that.
Horizon,
yeah. Looks great on the Xbox Series X. Kids are loving it. The kids love it. Trying to get them into a racing game.
Yeah.
And they've been unlocking all the vehicles. What's the best vehicle you have right now? Ferrari F40 or maybe Bugatti Chiron. I don't know what they got going on, but definitely if you pick up a next-gen Xbox, boot up Forza Horizon 4, it looks fantastic.